Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you on how to fix GameLoop crashing on PC so you can run your games smoothly without sudden shutdowns. First, restart your PC because temporary system glitches can often cause the emulator to crash. Next, update your graphics drivers to the latest version since outdated drivers are a major reason for crashes. After that, enable virtualization in your BIOS settings to improve emulator stability and performance. You should also run GameLoop as administrator to avoid permission issues. Another important step is to close all unnecessary background apps like browsers or recording software to free up system resources. Also, disable your antivirus temporarily because it can interfere with emulator files. If the issue continues, clear GameLoop cache or reinstall the emulator completely for a clean setup. Finally, restart your PC and launch GameLoop again, and it should run without crashing. Subscribe the channel for more videos.